Let's talk about installing RStudio. Now, RStudio might have one little kind of a glitch thing that, unless you really done it before, you might miss. So, and that one thing is here is that before installing and using RStudio, which is a R language, development environment, you're going to have to install R first. So, I have this URL here, and then I'm going to come here, and then you have to click on, I'm going to download R for whichever your environment. I'm going to click Windows, and I'm going to click on Base, and then download, the package, and then you have to go and, save that file and then install it. Yeah. And then after you've done that, then what you do is you go to rstudio.com and you click on products, and you want to do, open source R. Yeah. And then you gotta, kind of look at it, RStudio desktop, right? And then you click on it and download, it can tell you that it's free. Doesn't have a lot of stuff, but it's free. So then you can go ahead and, click on this guy. It's going to save your downloading the file like this, and you go ahead and install it. And I do recommend all the defaults, right? Except all the defaults as you go along. Now, I've already installed mine. Yeah, so what it looks like is this. You just kind of click on my start button. And then RStudio. And I click on here, and I know I got my R, and it looks like this. So really, RStudio is really great for working with scripts, R language scripts, so if that's what you want to do. And again, you can go ahead and do simple math, right? We're going to be learning all this stuff. You can assign variables and Nakasone, and then enter key, and then name, enter key, and Nakasone, right? So, you can do that over here. You'll notice that my list of variables have come up. So if I came over here and I did something else over here and I assigned this variable 29 because it's a number, I don't put in the apostrophes. And then now I have an age, right? So you see that variable over here. And then if I type in age, it says 29. Now, if I up arrow, I can see all the things before. Now, if I change it, now this guy has changed over here. So now if I type in age, now it's this, yeah. So, this is a great environment to work with. We'll be working with pretty much both RStudio as well as Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. But it's really going to be at some point during the semester, it's really going to be your choice. Yeah. So this is how you install and run RStudio.